What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for joining us today and welcome back to our channel. Yes, the title says it all. Aloe Vera mask for dandruff. Yes, so let's go straight to the good stuff. All you need is your honey, lemon slices, and of course your aloe vera. I got these and I sliced it up real good and left it in the freezer because I didn't want to leave it on the counter and it's gonna spoil, so you can freeze it up. I just left it off for some little while so that the ice comes off it. So you need your sieve obviously and your bowl. So what I do next is just to cut the sides where the spikiness is, because you don't want it to I mean it's not too spiky to hurt you, but I mean it's quite uncomfortable, so you just cut them off in pieces like so. And it's easier that way when you cut the them into slices so that you can make it easy for you. After cutting them into pieces, you just scrape the juice from the aloe vera like the way I'm doing it. You just scrape everything off into the sieve so that it can drain the liquid well into the bowl without getting the chaff inside the bowl. So you gotta be doing it till everything is done.
Just laying. Ooh, oh, I'm cash out. I'm high as I got no satellites on me. I feel like bitch, I feel like paper. 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 I'm back, when I see, I'm a beat. It's a jump, so white, say, when I say, I'm a beat. When I see, I'm a beat. It's a jump, so white, say, when I say, I'm a beat. I'm stoned, I'm stoned. I'm stoned, I'm stoned. I'm stoned, I'm stoned. I'm motherfucking stoned. I just put a 40 on my wrist like a bus. I just put 10,000 on my wrist like a bus. I just heard what I said like a bus. I said like a bus.
The next thing you do is to squeeze 2 slices of lemon into the sieve as well, because you don't want the seeds to go directly into your mask, because you have to get all of the liquid, so no to chaff. So just squeeze everything in there and you're good to go. And also what I do is I want to get all the good stuff, so I just mix it in the sieve to get extra liquid out of the sieve. So afterwards I transfer it into my cup like so, and get a teaspoon. This is my measuring spoons, so I just find the correct size of measuring spoon. So I'm gonna go with the 1 teaspoon. So you're just gonna scrape or take 2 teaspoons of honey, and then just add it to your liquid or the mask, and just mix it up real good so that everything gets in there very well. After we get the mask, what we're gonna do is to apply the mask in the scalp of our hair first. So I'm gonna portion the hair into several parts, and I'm gonna spray the mask into the scalp of my hair, massage it, and keep doing it till I feel all the parts of my hair. And leave the mask on your hair for about 10 to 20 minutes in a shower cap, or my favorite, a plastic bag. It does the job very well, trust me, because sometimes these shower caps ain't loyal to the ladies, please, or the bros. So you can use that too. Yeah, so afterwards you just leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash everything off like you would do on your wash day with your shampoo and conditioner, and you're good to go. Yeah, so that's it. It's pretty simple. You don't have to do too much, because I really like to keep things very, very simple. I'm done washing and conditioning my hair. As you can see, my scalp looks very clean. So let me tell you the good stuff about this mask. The lemon helps fight the dandruff, whilst the honey moisturizes the affected area, and of course, almighty aloe vera helps in the hair growth. So it's all some good stuff. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope to see you in our next video, and don't forget to treat everybody right and kind. Bye.